Are annoying spam and scam calls interrupting your day? In this video, you'll learn how to use Samsung Galaxy's built-in spam protection to automatically identify and block unwanted calls in just a few easy steps. Start by opening the phone app on your Samsung Galaxy device. This is the app you normally use to make and receive calls. Once it's open, tap the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of the screen to open the menu. From the available options, tap Settings. On the settings page, locate caller ID and spam protection. Turn on the toggle next to it to activate the feature. This allows your phone to identify unknown callers and warn you when a number is suspected to be spam. After enabling it, tap caller ID and spam protection again to access additional settings. Here you will find the option called Block Spam and Scam Calls. Turn this feature on to start blocking suspicious incoming calls automatically. Samsung gives you two blocking options. If you want maximum protection, choose Block All Spam and Scam Calls. This option blocks a wider range of suspected spam numbers. If you prefer a more balanced approach, select Only Block High-Risk Scam Calls. This blocks only the numbers considered the most dangerous, reducing the chance of blocking legitimate calls. Once you've selected your preferred option, simply go back or close the Settings app. Your changes are saved automatically, so there's nothing else you need to do. From now on, your Samsung Galaxy will work in the background to detect and block unwanted spam calls whenever possible. While no spam filter is perfect, enabling this feature can significantly reduce annoying robocalls, telemarketing calls, and scam attempts. Keeping this setting turned on is an easy way to protect your privacy, avoid potential phone scams, and enjoy a safer calling experience without installing any third-party applications. Spam call protection is now enabled. If you found this video useful, like, subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.